So we just picked up. So you can see I'm the only box truck. That's the connect I got. That's the connect I got. So we're taking this one from Savannah and it's going to Jacksonville, Florida, 120 miles. Load is paying $800. What's up, my guy? Offloaded. Let's head to the next one. Appointment was until 11, so now we're unloaded. I am in Jacksonville. I ain't seen nothing on the Amazon load board. It's only like an hour and 30 minutes from where I'm from in Savannah. Yeah, we have to pick up another load that's going to Miami. It's paying $1,700. But that ain't picking up till 5. So I got the option to pick it up today or tomorrow morning. I might pick it up tomorrow morning because I want to do an Amazon run tonight. But yeah, that concludes this video. This was a run from Savannah, Georgia down to Jacksonville. You know, it's like 110 miles, 115, and it paid $800. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave your comments down below, and just let me know if you want me to keep bringing this content to you, so maybe I can help you on your journey. All right, peace.